Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add allow apps even when do not disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notification. Okay, tap the notifications. In notifications, you can see the do not disturb. Okay, tap this. And do not disturb, okay, you can see the do not disturb is on. And okay guys, if this turn on, all notification is off. But we have an exemption. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add allow apps even when do not disturb is on. And okay guys, you'll have to do is tap the apps. And okay guys, here in apps, you can see the plus sign. Okay, you'll have to do is tap the plus sign, add apps. And okay guys, here, tap an app to add it to apps that can ignore do not disturb. And okay guys, for my example, I select the Bluetooth. Okay, tap the Bluetooth. And after that, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on this right side to allow the notification of this application. And okay guys, go back and go back again. And okay guys, we have successfully add the apps allow even when do not disturb is on. And okay guys, add another one. For my example, okay, you'll have to do is tap the plus sign on the upper right side on your screen to add another app. And okay guys, I select another one. So for my example, I select the clock. Okay, tap the clock and switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, you can turn off the other notification by switch off the switch button on this right side. So I decide to switch on all notifications of this application. Okay, go back and go back again. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add apps allow even when do not disturb is on in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.